DJ start.
Sweep the classroom clean. Sweep the classroom clean. Swish, swash, swish, swash. Keep the classroom clean. Keep the toys away. Keep the toys away. Quick, 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 quick. Keep the toys away. Wash the paint away. Wash the paint away. Scrub it clean. Wash it clean. Wash the paint away. Water tidy class. Water tidy class. Keep it clean. Always clean. Water tidy class. Well done. That was end of activity 4. The next activity is free expressions. You have to provide an art sheet to children. You can take them down for a walk. You can make them see the things around near your school, the trees, the garden, the greenery, the birds, the sky, the clouds. Let them imagine those things and then put it on paper. Symbolically, you should not draw it for them. Just tell them to imagine the shape and draw it on paper. They can do it directly with crayons. And after they finish this activity, teachers have to ask them what they have drawn. So even if they have drawn a circle and say that it's a sun, teachers should mark next to that symbol sun. Okay, so each child's activity should be labeled what the child has drawn. After you give the art sheets, make them write the name, the date and division in this corner. So how they write in worksheet, accordingly you have to write the name, date and division. After 20-25 minutes of coloring, you can ask them to submit their art sheets. That was end of activity, free expressions. The last activity for this day is music and movement. In this activity you can play some music in the class and you have to show them some animal picture cards. So they have to identify the animal. Say suppose this is an elephant. So you can tell them with the music you have to stomp like an elephant. So make your trunks and let's go stomping. So the teacher can show the action. Make your trunk and then stomp like an elephant. So with the music they sway their trunk and they walk like elephants. Similarly, you can have a horse. They can gallop like horses. They can waddle like a penguin. They can swing like monkeys. So you can tell them that swing like monkeys to the music. Yes. Or you can have a frog picture. Make them hop in the class if there's place. Or a